Hi guys. Today we will explore a new tool called Dashtoon. If you want to make your own comic story, then this tool can be a lifesaver. Let's log into the Dashtoon studio. And turn on the dark mode. You can see it's an empty canvas. Some tools are available here. With this tool, I am creating a new frame. I will generate 4 images. You can select a different style from here. Let's write a prompt. Choose one image you like. From the Edit menu, you can select the mask option. Mark the area you want to change. Write what you want in the masked area. In the History tab, you can see the previously generated images. To resize the image, select the frame, then double-click into the image. To make a comic, generating through image to image is important. I uploaded some drawings that I found on Pinterest. Now select one image, and make it a new frame. Describe the image. You can see, it uses the drawing as a reference. Let's generate 4 images. Apply this process to every image. You can add expressions to the image. And also you can add speech bubbles. To make a comic, character consistency is essential. You can create your own character from here. Upload the image of your character, and describe it precisely. Then train the character. It will take some time. You can see my character has been added. I made some images using the character. You can generate any image using your character. Just select your character and add some prompts at the end of your character's description. You can see its procedure is simple. And currently, the tool is completely free. People are already making some nice comics. Some of them are already very popular. You can watch their tutorials on their YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.